Welcome to CoroBot demo video. CoroBot is a system which functions like the Google Assistant in Android operating systems and the Siri in Apple operating systems. The only difference is this CoroBot will only mainly focus on the current pandemic issue, which is the coronavirus or the COVID-19. The features of these systems are it can listen, recognize, and record speak by the user. As I mentioned before, the main focus of this system is telling you the current pandemic issue, which the functions are telling you what is coronavirus or COVID-19, the signs and symptoms, the protection measure, giving you the nearest location of pharmacies, hospitals, and grocery stores that you can access, and the other features is you can search for news that you want to find by accessing through Google. Here is the interface of the CoroBot. Click Speak to start your recording. Hello.
How can I help you?
Click Speak again if you want to speak. What is corona?
Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease COVID-19.
Is there any vaccine?
Traditional or home remedies may provide comfort and alleviate symptoms of mild COVID-19. There are no medicines that have been shown to prevent or cure the disease. WHO does not recommend self-medication with any medicines, including antibiotics, as a prevention or cure for COVID-19. However, there are several ongoing clinical trials of both Western and traditional medicines. WHO is coordinating efforts to develop vaccines and medicines to prevent and treat COVID-19 and will continue to provide updated information as soon research results become available. The most effective ways to protect yourself and others against COVID-19 are to clean your hands frequently and thoroughly. Avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose. Cover your cough with the bend of elbow or tissue. If a tissue is used, discard it immediately and wash your hands. Maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from others.
Search for COVID-19 news.
Found for COVID-19 news on Google.
Show me the nearest hospital.
Here are your search.
Bye!
Thank you for using my service.